Namaste, Stravo, and good afternoon. Your Excellency, Mr. Andrej Plenković, Honorable Prime Minister of Republic of Croatia, and very handsome Prime Minister. Your Excellency, Mr. Peter Lubicic, Embassy of Republic of Croatia in India, Professor Rajni Abhi, Director, South Campus, University of Delhi, Dr. Vikas Gupta, Registrar, University of Delhi, Professor Neera Agnimitra, Chairperson, International Relations. Others distinguished guests from Croatia, outstanding and distinguished faculty members, deans, principals, officers and officials of University of Delhi, and my dear students, friends, good afternoon to all of you. Good afternoon. Respected Prime Minister of Republic of Croatia, His Excellency Andrej Plenković, it's a profound honor for University of Delhi to welcome a distinguished leader, a statement of strategic clarity, and a strong advocate of multilateral cooperation. His Excellency Honorable Prime Minister Andrej Plenković. This is the first visit of any Croatian Prime Minister to India and to University of Delhi. It's a matter of pride to all of us. We stand today as a profound host to a leader whose vision has guided Croatia through nearly a decade of steady progress, European integration, and principled engagement on the global stage. Respected Honorable Sir, your leadership means unity, stability, and progress, performance, reforms, and friendship, compassion, achievements, confidence, global clarity, and diplomatic maturity. Croatia is lucky to have such a leader and such a Prime Minister and such a handsome Prime Minister. My dear students, Honorable Prime Minister did Bachelor of Law and Master of International Law from Faculty of Law, University of Zagreb. And Zagreb is the capital of Croatia. He joined Croatian Ministry of Foreign Affairs in 1994, Head of Department for European Integration during 1997 to 2001, Deputy Head of Croatia's mission to the European Union during 2002 to 2005, Deputy Ambassador to France during 2005 to 2010, Member of Croatian Parliament 2011 to 2013, Member of European Parliament 2013 to 2016, Prime Minister of Croatia since October 2016, winning 3 consecutive elections terms in 2016, 2020, and 2024. Such a popular leader. There is an idiom in English. We say, coming events cast their shadows before them. Coming events cast their shadows before them. During his student days also, he became President of European Law Students Association in Zagreb in 1991, Croatia in 1992, and Europe in 1993. What a spectacular and splendid performance. This is the performance of leadership, trust, and commitment. Your Excellency, may I quote a defining line of Warren Bennis, who is regarded as the father of leadership across the globe. Quote, leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality. Leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality. Also permit me to quote Martin Luther King Jr. A genuine leader is not a searcher of consensus. A genuine leader is not a searcher for consensus, but a molder of consensus. And he is like that. Your Excellency, your defining leadership, contribution in exponential growth and progression of Croatia in the last decade is perhaps summed up in these two lines and in these two definitions of leadership. You are a distinguished legal luminary and profoundly respected expert in the field of law, public policy, and leadership. I once again welcome you in University of Delhi. My dear friends, University of Delhi is 103 years old, finest and premier institution of our country. Home of 86 teaching departments, 91 colleges, a dynamic and scholarly community of 6 lakh students across disciplines. A hub of research in science, social science, humanities, commerce, law, economics, technology, medicine, management, social work, and innovation. The university has produced Prime Minister, Chief Justices, Nobel laureates, Chief Ministers, artists, diplomats, leaders, innovators, scholars who have shaped India and also influenced the world. We are proud of our outstanding and distinguished alumni. We believe that education is not merely about degrees. It is about nation building, human development, and global engagement. Today, as we host a leader of global repute, we reaffirm our commitment to international dialogue and global academic partnership. Universities today are diplomatic spaces. We are engaged by agreements in culture, science, education, sports, maritime studies, digital governance, academic mobility between India and Croatia. At University of Delhi, we deeply value such bridges of knowledge. They allow our young minds to learn from each other's rich heritage, showcased in India's ancient traditions of philosophy, yoga, and scholarship, on one hand, and Croatia's remarkable legacy of innovation, resilience, and intellectual excellence on the other. Your Excellency, in a world of facing complex challenges from sustainable development and climate change to technological disruptions and the need for inclusive growth, universities like ours have a momentous responsibility to nurture critical thinking, innovation, and promote peace. Your leadership in advancing Croatia's priorities within the European Union and on the international stage inspires us. We look forward to your insight today on how nations can collaborate more effectively in education, research, and youth empowerment to build a more equitable and peaceful world, a better world for all of us. University of Delhi is committed to strengthen our ties. We are eager to explore new avenues, student exchanges, joint research programs, faculty collaborations, and cultural initiatives that can bring our academic communities even closer. Once again, Your Excellency, thank you for honoring us with your gracious presence. Your visit reaffirms the enduring bond between India and Croatia and fills us with optimism for the future of our partnership. My dear friends and students, please join me in a round of applause to warmly welcome His Excellency Andrej Plenković, Prime Minister of Republic of Croatia. I once again welcome Honorable Prime Minister and his team in University of Delhi. Thank you.